Oh, what's good, people? What's good? I just smashed this 500 milliliter water bottle on my sexy keyboard. Looks like there's no dents, so we're all good. Let's see, did anyone waffle in the Discord? Okay, cool. Sent that out. Bit late. Let's see. Mike's working. And yeah. We actually got 600 subs like a minute ago, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thank you for that. Let's see, did anyone waffle? Alpreneur Live. Hello. What's good, man? React to my app, bro. Factly. Well, where is your app? If you wanna tell me where your app is, I'd happily look at it. Factly. You want me to just search it up? Right? Is this what you made? Factly. Play Store. Bro, I'm not downloading anything, bro. You want me to go on my phone and download it? That's madness. Let's see. Is it just the same song repeated over and over? Okay, I'll search up your app. Factly. Which one is it? The top one? I'm changing the song, bro. Okay. Yo, Afnur. Yo, I don't even know how we got 600 subs, and like yesterday, we were on 580. It's pretty cool. Dude, I cannot find your app on the App Store. If it's not one of these ones, then I don't know where it is. You're gonna have to send a picture in the Discord. Okay. Right, I'm gonna continue making the vector. Why is the music so loud? No, I'm going back to the cow. Okay, let's see. We have finished the insert function yesterday, insert method for the vector, using a new function called memMove. Let's remind ourselves what memMove is. Before I search it up, let's see, it returns void pointer. It moves one memory address to another location, destination. It's basically it. Let's see. Performs the following operations in order. Copies count characters from the object pointed to by source into a temporary array of count characters, where array does not overlap the objects pointed to by destination and source. Implicitly creates object at destination. Copies count characters from array into the object pointed to by dest. Okay. That reminds me. Null pointer versus void pointer. Hello Antcode, what's up? What is a void pointer? What's a null pointer? A pointer with no return type is called a null pointer. It may be any kind of data type. Isn't that the same as a void pointer? Yeah, they could be used interchangeably. But this is a void pointer and this is a null pointer, and they're using it interchangeably. The man page, I'm not on Linux. Orthogonal. Ooh. Null is as in 0. Okay. Yeah, but null is 0, yeah, but null pointer is 0 pointer. How does that work? Void pointer is a raw pointer to some memory location. A null pointer is a special pointer that doesn't point to anything. It can be a pointer to a type, void, or otherwise. But you just said it doesn't point to anything. So void pointer can basically store anything. Okay. Let's move on. I don't need any of this commented out code. It can be deleted, but I'll keep it there. Just because why not? So what else is there to do? Pushback is done. So we got the constructor, copy constructor, destructor, size, pushback, insert, and the subscript operator overloaded. What else is there? What attributes? All attributes that a vector has. I guess we could use capacity. mean, there's no harm at just adding it in. I think by default a vector is 16 bytes. How big is a vector by default? I think it is 30. No. Because coding Jesus said it's 16 bytes or something. 24 bytes. Implementation defined. Ooh. So we don't have any number. Okay. Emptiness status. Okay, we could do that. I guess. Seems simple. I'll return int. No, that's return bool. Bool empty. I can just use ternary. So we'll do but we just check if size is more than 1. What's the point of the empty function? Don't do anything. Zero. So I said return true. Why? Just give me a number. Can we do int to bool? Not useful. Okay. Well, empty's done as well. Size, capacity, empty. A direct pointer to the underlying array. Oh. Is that actually a real thing? Clear would be simple. I don't want to make the vector too advanced because there's no need for that. Size returns 0. Okay. I forgot to assign all again. Yeah, I did forget, did not I? Did not I? And I think I'll put them all to 0, right? Oh, it just... So, we're just making an array with 0 elements. Okay, sure. Maybe I should overload the printing operator. That seems like it would help a lot. So I'm directly accessing the array, which is not smart. I need to be able to do something like I should be able to do that. So let's find out how to do that. We need to overload the OS stream double left chevron. So let's find out that. Overload operator. So I think it returns nothing. Or it returns a reference to itself. I'll try this one first. Rotate const vector that. Okay. Okay. We'll do vector returning its reference to itself, I think. Operator. Okay. You're complaining why? Oh. The chat isn't updating. Are you able to concentrate on music? It depends what the music is. I can't even really hear the music that loud. I put it really high in OBS, and on the actual music it's really low, and I have external speakers, so I just turned it really down so you guys can hear it way louder than I can actually hear it. But usually no, I can't. But people really like the music, so I am sacrificing myself for Pakistan. You say the chat isn't updating, but no one was talking in the first place. That's all it was. Okay. Okay. No, the reason it didn't show your message is because you have a link to it, and YouTube bans all messages with links in them. So this is an illegal message, so it deleted it. You see, I click live chat here, all messages are visible, but I can't see it because your message gets deleted automatically. Yeah, so you don't accidentally or on purpose put in a bad website, you know? What's stupid is that it doesn't allow me to change the setting. It's fully monopolized, controlled by YouTube. So let's overload this. Oh, we need to return a reference to OS Stream. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because we're sending it to OS Stream. Bro, I was that guy who was probably making jokes about programming. Bro, you got a lot of changes. You were the guy who was making jokes about programming. X Neon Void. I do remember your name. You last came here a long time ago, didn't you? It's been months since you came in. You got a lot of changes, yeah. Hope so. Age isn't that glorious as you think. Whoa, what does that refer to? Okay, well, we're not returning that. And if I remember correctly, it's just a one-liner. Isn't it like that? No. No, I don't remember. Return OS. What the hell is OS? Oh, we're taking in a parameter. And then that's their object. That's if you're using a template. I'm not using a template. Mine's just the vector. Bro, why you choose C++? Because I like low-level programming. A good way to understand pointers and memory would be to get into competitive programming. I've tried Codeforces, and that was fun. I did many streams on Codeforces, but it just got really hard. And I wanted to start making projects, like real projects. No, I do like Codeforces. It's just really difficult. And I started to see a decline of results. It was just really demotivating. Yeah. Okay, write object to stream. Okay, let's get a reference to that. Too many parameters for this operator function. Maybe it's not allowed to be const. std os stream reference operator left. std os stream reference os const ref. I did put const. I really don't know what's the problem. Vector has no member operator double left chevron. Guys, this has nothing to do with pointers. I don't even know what you're talking about. Too many parameters. Okay, this website sucks. Let's go Stack Overflow. Friend? Nah. Come on, Microsoft, teach me. Learn.microsoft.com. Why are you only reading like 5% of the text you see, dude? Cause I have a short attention span. Doing good, bro. Keep it up. Learn Java, C, C++ at age 11. Oh, goddamn. But you discontinued due to higher studies. Oh, we got a bloody prodigy in chat. You learned all those languages in 2 years. Well done. Garnash. I never said it was hard, I just said I get bored. So it's using friend. We don't need friend. We have one class and we're not inheriting at all. I don't understand why this needs to be a friend. It's just a normal base class. Public. Come on, man. What the hell's going on? OS stream. OS stream. I'm just gonna print this out. So I'm inside the vector class. What is going on? We got some serious bugs. Let's run it, see what happens. My vec. Oh wait, I meant to do that. So these are member variables, okay? Size and array are member variables, a part of the array, a part of the vector. It's a public method, and I'm accessing provide a namespace. Read on about friend. You're telling me I need friend. I've never used friend before. Friend. The friend declaration appears in the class body and grants a function or another class access to private and protected members of the class. Yo, Max, how am I ODing? How am I overdosing? Oh, I haven't overdosed in a while. It's been a while, brother. 12 years sober. It's been hard. I'm doing good. How about you? So, do we need friend for OS stream? Because I swear I've done this before. And I didn't need friend. I did not need friend. You're doing fine, I'm glad. Friend declaration does not declare a member function. This operator still needs to be defined as non-member. Why? Oh. Oh. The non-member function operator output will have access to Y's private members. So we cannot make a member function called operator double F chevron. Now we're good alone, we don't need friends. Facts, bro. So this is just a standalone random function. And it cannot be a part of the vector class, apparently. That is really weird. Why? That's really weird. I'm guessing the only reason that's the case is because it's returning that, maybe. Well, it says here that you don't need friend when you're doing this one. Wait, what? So if it's inside the class, it needs to be friend. No, I'm so confused. So do all function overloads need to be friends? But that's not true, because I've overloaded the subscript operator yesterday and there's no friend, obviously. That's so confusing. See, output is not part of Y. Yeah, it's kind of a joke. This doesn't make sense at all. It's not a part of Y. Well, why not? It should be, because it's inside Y. No, it doesn't make sense. It's inside the class. It shouldn't have to be a friend. Alright. Finally, we got a mod. Welcome, Original. No. Invalid specifier. Oh, it's going to be inside the class. Hey? Error fixed. So because it's a friend, we are allowed to access its private members. Cool. Am I making a vector class? Yes. It's because what normal output does to L values. Yo, you're doing C++ as well. You learned vectors today. We'll do quite a bit of arrays and C style array. Cool. Keep going. Don Dev. You're supposed to stream that was given a parameter instead of the cout directly in your frame function. I'm just about to finish up on the vector class because I don't really think there's anything else to do. I just wanted to overload this and then that's really it. Nothing else needs to be done. So that will do OS. Okay. And then we return OS. So now let's see if it works. Do std cout my vec. Oh, actually, it's right there. Okay, I forgot I deleted everything. Let's delete this. Okay, cool. You know what? We learned a lot. Let's start a new project. Have I ever made a linked list before? Yeah, I have, yeah. I can speedrun now quickly if you want. To see if I remember. I'm gonna create a poll. Instead of using a new line as a separator, use a comma and then a space. Okay. We need project suggestions. Did you finish your Snake game? No, but that was... No, I did, but that was on the other laptop anyway. I'm on my main PC, I don't have access to that. I can do... No. I don't want to do any games because it's literally just Raylib. So boring. Binary IO. What's that? Yo, someone banned this mod. You know what? What? I'm not saying Raylib's bad, I'm saying it's boring. I've done Raylib for like the past 11 months. I'm kind of done with it. I'm gonna look through this book and see if there's anything. Can you be mod? My friend, why did you not apply when I had applications open? Hey? They're closed now. Oh no. The book's torn. I could try and make more STL stuff. That sounds fun. Yeah, I'll do that. Binary IO is basically outputting specific data to a file as binary, then read it again with your own reader. Oh, so it's like your own encryption thing. Yeah, it is pretty cool. And the icon as well, that purple icon, is pretty nice. And it sends people straight to the stream if they click on the Discord profile. Like right here, if you click that, it's right there. I didn't know about that. Do a free course on YouTube. I'm not gonna do a free course on stream. Well, I'm just gonna stream someone else's video. What kind of a stream is that? Why do you need to return OS? Because reaction stream. Nah, well, I'm not a reaction streamer. You need to return OS because when you're using cout, whatever's to the right of this chevron, it needs to go towards the cout, right, to the output stream, and you need to give them a reference to the output stream that you've just made, right? If you return void, then you're gonna print nothing. That could be a lot. That could be fun. A lot of people like Primogen and Atriok doing it. Reaction stream. What could I react to, eh? Practice with STD format. Bro. How about, let's see. It seems like no one wants to create STL stuff. Do you want to make your own neural network? No. React to the memes channel again like you did. There's nothing in the memes channel.
Уже чайного пакетика хватит на дольше. Золотой чаши, Липтона или Гринфилда. Начнем наш эксперимент. Заливаем, видите, наши чашечки. А вот результаты золотой чаши одного пакетика. Липтон, смотрите, он уже такой аромат теряет. А Гринфилд вообще испортился. Я уже не говорю, что золотая чаша может заварить еще целую банку дальше. А вот Липтон... Удивлен! Я сегодня устрою чайную вечеринку. Пишите в комментариях, кто хочет. Приглашаю. Мне в квартире уже не осталось.
Иди нахуй. Je ne parle pas les Russes. Let's see. Yeah, this is facts. Yeah, facts. Sad, I missed this guy. Solve for handwritten database. This is epic. Okay. What does the link list have? Int val. Wait. Linked list next. And then what else? What else is in a linked list? It's the Just the value in the next one. That's literally it. And there's a function, right? Well, there has to be a function. What is the function? Initialize the next pointer as null point. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna do that in the constructor because I want to be cool. Function. Add first, add last. Boring. Let's see. Java. Ugh. Get that out of my screen, boy. Where's the actual add function? Add an item to the list. Okay. Whoa, get that cow out of my face, bro. So we'll do void add. Okay. Pendergast, yo, hello. How are you, my favorite fanboy? You haven't come in a long time. I see you're actively playing Steam often. Gmod and that. Yeah, I know you got banned because you did naughty things. What the best resources? I have the best solution for that, buddy. Click on the C++ channel here in the Discord and you'll see here, great C++ learning resource for beginners. All of that. Who got banned? Pendergast, the guy with the orange logo in the chat. Okay, and here we'll do, in fact, this thing that I'm about to now, the default initialization in the constructor, Pendergast actually taught me this. Like 10 months ago, he taught me that if you put a colon here and the names of the member variables, you can default initialize them. So val, so we'll do int val and then link. Is it the same if you init them inside? Is it the same if you init them inside of the constructor? What if you mean inside the curly braces? Yeah, it's the same thing, but this is the better shorthand version. You have good personal project learning in your Discord. Yeah, I know. They are good. They are very good projects that everyone should do, and put them on their GitHub. Do one of them like the Instagram. I already done that. I done that one already, but I did that one in Python because I actually needed to use that. I needed it for a project last year, so that one was really simple. It was just that. Okay, so we'll do val equals val, and then next null pointer. You've been HRT. Let me remind myself what that means. Oh yeah, because you're turning into a girl. Yeah, I remember. Live, laugh, love Java. Yo, someone ban this kid from the chat. Ban Query C right now. Do you remember I said I should be a femboy? You were like, yeah, go for it. Literally the best thing I ever did. Dude, I think you were always a femboy. You just finally released yourself now. Well done, original. Well, I'm glad you made a change. Figured out your true self. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Add. Yeah. Add. So add. Well, we need to take a number, so int val. Int val. And then we'll do, we need to make a new linked list. So a linked list pointer temp equals new linked list value val. And then this one next equals temp. Isn't it just that? How are you, Query C? You good? How's the learning going on the driving test? Yo, bro, can you tell me, do you require any AI powered thumbnail designer? My friend, are you asking me if I want to pay someone to prompt AI for me? If that's the case, no thank you. Very kind of you though. Yes, it's going good. Haven't made any test days in. You haven't made any testing days. Haven't made any test. What do you mean? No, original. You don't got to delete it. It's fine. You haven't made any test. What do you mean? What the hell? English, please. Oh, the theory test. Yeah. Hold up. You're using this app, right? This one, yeah? This is the one you need. Make sure it's that one. The theory test. Salah is called. 24-0-26 every time. 24-26, okay. Yeah, I mean, we don't support AI anything over here. So yeah, essentially. 24-26 is good. Use that. Good. Yeah, you'll get it first try. Did you do the fourth stage as well? Because if you're just spamming out the third stage, it's not enough. You gotta do the third stage once, and then finish all of the ones in stage 4. And the theory test was so easy after that. Okay, let's test this out. No, wait, is this? Oh, wait. Is this the vexing past bullshit? Hold up. I think this is the vexing past thing. We need to... Still broken. Inaccessible. Bro, what? Oh, I did the bloody thing again, man. I forgot that these stupid classes are private by default. Okay, should be good now. Let's try this. Mailing list, okay. But I need to see if that was the vexing past though. Was it? Is that gonna break? No, it's fine. So what was the vex? Is it like that? Yeah, this is the vexing past. Yeah. Expected it. Yeah. Okay. Gabe, not gonna lie, you look mannier than me. Well, yeah, you're literally a girl. I mean, you need to make a destructor. You're drinking aloe vera. Good. You should drink some coconut water as well for them electrolytes. Yeah, destructor. You're right. I was getting there. So what do we actually have? Because Valley, that's just on the stack. Next is... Hold up, that's on the stack as well. No, that's on the heap. So we gotta just do delete next, right? That's it. How about I do free for 1 week, then if you like my effort, we can discuss pricing later. As I'm just starting out, honestly, 1700 from India. Dude, I'm not gonna buy your AI services. Do you want me to show you something? I can ask this guy, right? Boom. Let's see. Whatever. Which one's the Gemini? Is that the AI one? The image one? I don't know. I can choose any of these for free because I got Pro. My school gave it to me, man. I can just do make a thumbnail, blood. Like about C++, you know what I mean? And sexy code game, you know what I mean? Like it's that simple. I mean, look, I respect you're trying to grind, man. You're trying to make a business. I fully respect that. But it's not gonna work here. If you're trying to sell me something, sell something good. What is this cow doing? Is the music loud enough? Wow, this stream is so back. Listen. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I'll pause your ass. It's been through, yeah. It's fine, bro. I respect the hustle. Okay. That's it. Linked list finished. Hire me, Steve Bartlett and Adam Gates. Okay, what was the other thing someone else suggested to do? Binary IO. It's good for save files of any program. Reaction stream. React on what? Render applications. In fact, you know, I could actually do with some more mods. Hold up, people. I'm gonna release the mod application. Because Online Max has been a great person for a while now. Is anyone here a video editor? I've got... Wait, let me see if I can show anyone. Okay, look. I can show you guys this. So I have raw unedited videos. I've fully recorded everything. I've got 2 channels, right? Main channel, 1, 2, 3, 4. They need editing. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 10. I have 10 videos recorded fully, and I need them to be edited. So if someone's an editor, please hit me up. I will pay. I will pay you. So you'll edit my vids. I mean, you did get banned from my server, didn't you? Links is done. Yeah, bro, look at this. We got the add function. It's basically done. You're an aerospace engineer, gang. He was coding on the side. What's happening? Yeah, online. I was saying I'll open up the original shout. The hell up, bro. I said I'll open up the moderator applications for you. In fact, it's already open. If you go here to server announcements, I think, click here. Okay, what? Okay, if you click this link now, you can apply. So, good luck with that. And also, Pendergast, if you're being serious about the editing, then I'll open that one up as well. I did have an editor for a bit, but I fired him because he was ass. He was utterly ass. I'd rather waste like 7 hours of my time on Vegas Pro editing my own stuff than pay that guy. So yeah, right. It's not even there. Okay. Let's see. Can I copy this link? Bro, I bet I've lost like all my audience because I'm wasting time. You haven't drank in months? I wish I can believe that. I don't know if I can. Okay. The post might still be here. Actually, don't know where it's gone. You can try learning to... No, I don't want anyone to learn to edit. I need someone who already knows how to edit. If you don't know how to edit, don't bother. Okay, but seriously, I don't know what to code. Give suggestions. STL stuff. You know what? I'm gonna make a string. I'm gonna make a damn string. Okay, let's do string. Why not? We're gonna recreate st string. String. Custom string. Implement int. Yo, that would actually be sick. How'd you do that? Can you do that? Can you implement int? Wait. Before I look at that, I'm gonna guess. Isn't that just a car and then you do multiple cars? Because the car is the lowest form of data. It's like 1 byte. You can't get less than a byte in C++. Is that true? And an int is 4 bytes. Implement implementation defined. Adeno Joshin. Excuse me. Yeah. Can't have a drunk mod. Let's see. Just send me one project needed. I'll try and make something for you. Can I show it on screen? On stream? Pendergast, can I show that on screen? Do you give permission? You sure? Okay. Alright, so this is before turning into femboy. This is after femboy. This guy's already bagging, guys. This guy's already getting people. So, alright. So, yes, I can input. I did not ask you to implement int, you melon. Alright. Int in C++. Can I do that? Int stack. I don't think I can. I'm just gonna make string, bro. Such a cutie, I know, right? So, string. Easy. Do the whole ass thing from scratch. Class. Wait, the music ended. We need to jump out the window now. Oh shit. Tokyo Spliff air music again. Okay. Make sure you join the Discord, guys, by the way. So, what does a string have? A string is an array of characters which can be dynamically updated and can have infinite text. So, first of all, we need a character array. Hit a freestyle. He's not a rapper. That guy's a skateboarder or something. He's in a band. Private. We do const. No, it can't be const because we're changing it. Or maybe maybe when you add letters, we're gonna create a new const char array and then reassign it to this variable. I feel like coding a C compiler from scratch right now. I can't keep sucking this guy's dick. I need to change the song. Okay, array 2. and in size. Public. So what do we normally have in a string? Let's see. So let's do string. So okay, there's a lot of overloads. Initialize the list. Let's do the most simplest one, which is this one. So it takes in a const car. There's two consts. What the hell? I don't know what that means. Implement Linux. Implement you. You want me to implement yourself? You're still learning stuff, sharpening your skills. Once I've improved and have something solid, shall reach out again. Okay. Good to know. Bro, your memes are dead.
What's lost?
This was the only good one. I don't even want to look at that. Yo, shake it. You want me to shake that ass? Wait, what? Okay, but in your linked list, how do you access an element? Bro, we moved on. We moved on. That linked list is long gone in the past. Geometry dash stream. God, bro, you need like constant dopamine, you do. So, it takes in a const car. Let's just copy that, eh? So, we'll take in string const car const. So let me do some research first. What is const car const? You have to look through the list until you reach your element if your list isn't indexed. Okay, so car star const and const car star. Const car star const. There it is. Here's the const one. So the second const applies to the pointer itself. The pointer value is constant. You cannot change pointer to point somewhere else. So how do we dynamically allocate it? Dynamically update it. Bro, shut the hell up. We already had you. I need a new playlist, guys. I need a new playlist. I've officially run out of music. I actually have no more songs. We're gonna have to resort to we're gonna have to resort to Rastaman music. So the second const applies to the pointer itself. The first const applies to the pointer to type. Const car means the characters are constant. You cannot modify pointer or pointer at position I. No, I don't get it. There's two consts. Pointer to type. Let's see if a human wrote it better. Declares a constant pointer to a constant character string. You can't change the characters the pointers point to. But it's an array. It always points to the first element. you can't change the pointer itself once it's initialized. Learned from Search Geek for Geek's basic string operations. I will. Bro, Java, man. Get out of here with your Java, man. We don't like... Bro, Java's ops. If you do Java, you're officially op. Accessing characters by index in a string. Accessing characters by index in a string. To access any character in a string, we need a non-empty string. Position index. An index. Keep learning. Yes, bro. We all will. Until we die. What's the point of writing this function? This function does absolutely nothing. Inserting character string into a string. To insert any character in the string, we need the character and the index. Yeah, but this doesn't help what I'm actually doing. This is common sense. Where's the actual implementation for the string? That doesn't help. But thanks. Deck Tech. Hello. Yeah, it's a character array. So we're gonna initialize array to that. So we'll do default member initialization. Boom. Array. See. Why are you complaining? Seriously, why? My bad. My bad game. My bad. My bad game. Arrays are pointers. Yeah. Yeah, true, bro. So now arrays pointing to the first element of C. What else? Size. We need size. So we need to... They're probably not going to give us size, so we need to calculate that ourselves. Calculate size. Look for car array. Is that gonna work? No, of course it wouldn't. Oh, damn it. Okay. What even is that gonna default initialize to? Eh? I wonder what. But I don't know when it's gonna end. I need a while loop. You need a while loop. So while, I'm just going off straight in my head. I don't know if what I'm doing is right. We'll finish. Do you need string length? Yeah, string length. But that's not available by default. Okay. I guess I'll just do it by default. I'll make it 0. You're still complaining, eh? Why? Okay. Cool. Strings in C++ on their length stored only, isn't it only C strings you need to count through? But it's not a string, it's a const char array, which is a C string. It can't be a C++ string because I'm making the C++ string. The range based loop is for type. The range based loop doesn't work. Yeah, guys, I don't want to use any external libraries. I want to make it myself. I'm not going to use string view because the whole point is to make it myself. So because we don't know the size, I need to use the while loop. If, and then we need to check if it's a null terminator. See, oh, how do we get each element? I need the index as well, bro. A string always ends with a null terminator, so hello would be hello string. Okay, yeah, facts. So if C position size is 0 is the null terminator. Sorry, I meant to do that. Then done equals true. And I'll just break that thing. Else do size plus plus. Actually, we'll go to it over here, so we do plus plus size. Like it makes any difference. That's it. There's nothing else. Yeah, so okay, and then we get here. Size now equals size. And do I can't do that. I'm gonna stop your train, buddy. So we got the size now. We can just return. It's all done. Didn't mean to do that. You should make it a method since string has a dot size. Yeah, good idea. Apparently it doesn't. Oh, it does. What? Oh, it's because I used rounded brackets, like parentheses, instead of curly braces, so it didn't initialize properly. So, okay, so we've got C string. I just converted it to a const char, which it is already. My man, I'm so confused. So, clear would be simple. Copy. So that would be a non-member wise copy. There's two C strings. What the hell? Oh, it's only one. Okay, we need to overload the plus equals operator. And That's it. So to do overload. And dot size as well. So we'll do so for plus equals, I think we're gonna return a reference to string. So equals const string. So that seems okay so far. Wait, hold up. I'm not defining it here. I'm doing it here. So, string plus you thought underscore prefixes for private members. Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, I didn't want to do that here. So if we're gonna go so specific, I may as well just do m underscore. But that just looks really ugly. I don't like Hungarian notation. So I prefer to just make the underscores in the methods and keep the member variables looking good. But it still means the same thing. It's like only used in this local scope. So Hungry catching strays. Dude. I don't know what you know about Romania versus Hungary, but just search up real quick. Search up, actually anyone who's listening as well, search up who owns Transylvania. And then you'll go down a bloody rabbit hole that never ends. That's why Hungary catches strays. How long have you been coding? Many years. I've got nothing against Hungarian, by the way. I'm like 12% Hungarian myself. But yeah, it's still funny. Yeah, I've been doing Python for about 4 years. C++, 11 months. And other languages, other years. I don't remember. Okay. So I'm gonna guess, to overload this, plus equals, we need to make a new character array with the new size. Ooh. I actually don't know. If I ask them to input a size here, then that's gonna be a bit not user friendly. I'm gonna ask for a bit of help on this one. How many tabs have I got open? 1, 2, let me close these. So I've never overloaded plus equals before. Duplicate. Man, these people. Bro. Oh, what I love by consumers. Yo, Huz, what's good, man? I'm just recreating string from scratch. You know STD string? From this header file, I'm just making it from scratch. Because I made vector like yesterday's stream. And I made a very basic linked list at the start of this stream. So, if you can even call it that. Declaration is incompatible with string size. No, I don't get it. The only problem would be that it's overlapping with this. But then the question is, they also have a size with lowercase s in the STL version of the string. I really don't get what the problem is. Oh no, not Copilot, get out of here. Okay. I'll make it capital S and see if that helps. It did, that's annoying. Right. That only means one thing. That I need to rename all of the instances that uses size to m_size. Which I don't want to do. I do not want to do that. So we're gonna make this uppercase. I'm gonna ignore your ass in a sec. Okay. I might put this in the namespace. Cause it's gonna mess up. Test string dot what? Vibe coding? Bro, I don't even know what that word means, to be honest. Nah, we don't do that around here, bro. We don't do that. Don't do that around here. Nah, we like the struggle. We're masochists, innit? Masochists through and through. In fact, I'm gonna make a poll to see how many... I was about to say, are you a femboy? But then I meant to write, are you a vibe coder? You see, how many people in the stream are vibe coders? String class neat. Hello, Night Owl. Oh, it's been a long time since you came. It's been a long time. You don't code? My mod does not even code. That's crazy. Okay, test string dot, let's see. Pushback, no. Why am I rushing ahead, blood? I didn't even finish overloading this. So. I'll be back in a sec. I need to go. My family just came, so give me 2 minutes.
You don't have to dread to be Rasta.
Okay, we got 70%. Got 40% of people are vibe coders. I'm disappointed in you. Whoever you are, you know who you are. Right, let's try decipher this Stack Overflow text. Of the following code. Okay. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to take in this string is the actual string that we're going to append to. Therefore, we need a const car array that's going to be what they're giving to us after, like, the R value. Isn't that going to be an R value reference? I don't know. It might be. I might be completely waffling. Does anyone know? Could have your bare hands like a real man. Ooh. Ooh.
I know you love when I'm looking, staring at you. You got what I need, baby.
Stack Overflow AI to vibe code like a real man. C++ is hella hard, yo. I'm only good at Java and Python. You might want to be careful. We are ops with Java in this place, mate. Do you think hand coding will have a future? No, I meant those models are really powerful. Hand coding, what? How are you going to compile that? With your mind? I mean, if you can do that. I mean, when Elon finally puts them chips in our heads and you can have a C compiler in your head, you read the piece of paper, that could work. Why are we ops with Java? Because I said so. Dude, no, listen. You guys are misunderstanding me. Java was my first language as well. Back in 2019, I was the first language I ever taught. I still got the book up there for Java, right? I just got bad memories of Java. I just got PTSD from that. That's all it is. When I was making Minecraft mods in 2019, I had the worst time because I sucked so bad. I didn't know anything. I didn't know what a variable was. I've got such a funny example, actually. Listen. This is what I did in Java. I remember this one question, and I never forgot it. How stupid my answer is. So, what's the boilerplate for Java? Let me see. Because now, every time I think about what I did, I always laugh at myself. It's so funny. Here it is. What was that? Oh, thank you for subscribing, buddy. So, look. This is the boilerplate for Java. They said, so the question was, what was it? Inside main, make a int variable called x with nothing inside it, right? Right, and then what I did, right, because I didn't know what curly braces were at that time, so I went literally here. I saw the main keyword, and I went inside the parentheses. I literally went here, and then I actually went here as well. I started writing int x, right, or whatever I did. I deleted all of this. Oh no, I didn't. I left it there. I wrote int x, and then when I looked at the answer, it was actually here inside the curly braces, int x. So that was just That was phenomenal. That I thought like inside main meant inside these parentheses. That was just madness. Yeah, this is the trauma. No, that was not trauma. That was just a funny moment that I remember. The trauma I don't remember. Do you use Neo Vim? I do. The title was not clickbait, by the way. It's just I have Arch Linux. I have Arch Linux installed on my other SSD. It's just corrupted currently, so it's not clickbait. Don't worry. If you want to see my Neo Vim config, it is here. I think it's corrupted as well. Yeah, this is corrupted. Don't bother installing this. It's literally broken. But yeah. I want to see how people use Neo Vim. Okay. Hold up. I can use Neo Vim in WSL if you want. Yo, Tom, where you from? I'm from Romania. But I live in England. I've lived in England my entire life. Do not tell me WSL is corrupted as well. That's my only way of accessing Linux. Please. Hey, what's up? How's the journey going and what are you creating? I'm currently creating string. I'm currently failing at creating string. I'm trying to overload this operator. Plus equals, it's not working. And I'm trying to open up WSL, it's not working either. Like, what? WSL, let's see. No, what happened? Who uninstalled my Linux? God damn. Nah. Bro, I literally had Ubuntu, at least Ubuntu, installed on this, and where's it gone? It's just gone. No. Damn it, man. I had so much data on that. Balkans out there. Love from Bulgaria, twin. Keep it up. Yeah, we love the Bulgarians and the Balkans. Sub count and Discord growing rapidly. See, you should stream. Dude, I always wanted to stream. I literally couldn't. I couldn't. Life was stopping my ass. Okay. Right. Can we get back to paper? Come on. You'll sub maybe next time use Neo Vim. God. Literally use NVim now, my friend. But I can't. It's so corrupted. In fact, wait here. Hami Tekel, give me one sec. Give me 8 seconds. And I will change your destiny. So I definitely have Ubuntu on this one. Is the stream delayed? It should not be. Alright, here it is. Yeah, I think you should use Notepad. I think you should. I'm not gonna say that. In fact, I've installed. I've configured it very well. Got LazyVim on this one. This is not the config that I put on my GitHub, so don't think that this is that. Let me show you actually. Hold the hell up. Notepad, go home. Sublime text. Bro, what is all this waffle? I just got on the stream. Dude, I'm trying to overload the rascal operator plus equals, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Look. Envim Snake. Okay. Look. I made a snake game and I overloaded the wait. I made a copy constructor, copy assignment, and dude, look how goated I am, right? I made the entire snake game in main. Main.cpp has my entire bloodline worth of code. Is it even scrolling? Yeah, no. Hold up, I forgot to use Envy. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, anyways. That was a joke, by the way, if no one understood. It's not cool to put everything in main. It's actually really bad to do that. So let me just close the laptop because it's got awful battery. Did you code yourself from your brain? Yeah, brain. We don't use AI over here. Can you compile your solution project via command line, use MS Build and dev command? Can't be out. Okay, back to this. Plus equals, so it takes a reference to the current object and the thing you want to add. Obviously, that's what I did. The new character array, yeah, which they're going to provide. Inline. I wonder why it's inline. Let me search up what is inline. C++ inline keyword. Bro, why is there so much text? Why? Bro, I ain't reading all that. In fact, I'll read the first sentence. Declares the function to be inline. Wow. The inline specifier declares the function to be inline. No fucking shit. Yo, this website's revolutionary. What the hell? Bro. Take my money. You just taught me something I never heard of before. Must be rich when the transition used. But you're not telling me what it is. Che cazzo stai facendo? Man, go ahead. I believe you're gonna become a great engineer. I wish. But thanks for the good words. No AI, bro. No AI. No AI to code. I do use AI to ask theoretical questions. I've actually got a video coming up about this. It's so annoying, right? I have a video. I want to post it. It actually answers that exact question that you just said, related to AI. But it's unedited. So it's in this video, like how I'm learning C++ as an 18-year-old, right? And also how AI is destroying every student's ability. I go really into detail, but I need to edit it. I don't have time. I need someone to edit it for me. See inline. It's not something you need to use as a beginner. Okay. So I'll zoom in for you guys. It's a small function that asks the compiler to insert its code directly where it's called instead of jumping to it. Okay, so it's a compiler optimization technique. This can make short, frequent use functions a little faster because it removes the small delay. But if it's a big function, I think it's bad. I think that's what Coding Jesus said. I'm starting to remember. If it's a short function, then yeah, it's not good. But if it's short function, use inline. If it's long, you don't use inline because it actually does the reverse effect. Is Green Odyssey not available for Linux? Dude, I made Green Odyssey when I was 11 years old. I made that when I was 11 with C# and Unity. I have no clue about the specifics of that. But no, it shouldn't work because it's an exe file. I compiled it to exe. It shouldn't work on Linux. So let's see, what's the difference? it suggests the compiler. It doesn't actually do anything concrete. Did I hear Rasta man? Compiler do what it wants. Use Claude. Yo, someone ban this guy. Someone ban this guy for suggesting to use Claude. Why are we a Rasta man? In fact, I'm gonna end the poll. Huh? Happy to hear what? Oh, okay. I'm gonna ask something in the poll completely irrelevant. This poll probably won't get many votes because it's weird, but if you wanna vote, it's in the chat now. What's a Rasta man? Bro. This be a Rasta man. If you ban herb, you be a Rasta man. This hat looks silly, bro. Nah, it's good, it's good. Rasta man, look, this is a Rasta man. Bob Marley, look at this guy's massive spliff. Is my face in the way? It is. Dude, I need to actually start coding. I get distracted so easily. What the hell? I get distracted so easily. I'm actually just gonna ban the chat from my screen. It's a vibe. I'm glad you think that. So, please, Gabe, focus for 2 minutes. Finish the operator overloading, then look at chat. I've got a massive problem with attention. Right. Inline, date, reference, operator plus equals. To implement... Okay, this music's too loud. Wait. That's bad. Make a reggae song. Bomba clatted, pussy clatted. Do not get devil man started. Become black hearted. I just said to not look in chat and I looked at chat. I need to start punishing myself. This is not good. How to implement operator plus. Left hand symbol. Let's see. LHS meaning C++. Bob Gabe. Nah, I wish I was as good as that legend. So I've looked at 3 websites and I still don't understand how to overload. Let's see. Here it is. No, it's not. We need the plus equals. Plus equals. Are you not getting copyright pit? I am. I'm making absolutely zero money off this. But if it's for the vibes, it's worth it. If the viewers are enjoying the music, then it's all good. I'd have never thought I'd watch someone to learn C++ on a Friday night or listening to Jamaican tunes. Well, actually, we're learning C++ every day from 6 PM to 8 PM. Apart from Saturday. If you want to see the schedule, it's in the Discord server. Here's a streaming schedule, right here. It tells you everything UK time. Write a bump allocator. C++ is my side hoe. Let's see. I actually thought that was Daily Dose of everything. Hello. Harry. Okay. this is the plus operator, not what we want. Code Academy. I have my opinions about you, Code Academy. I have my bloody opinions on you. Plus plus. Okay, we've got plus equals. By the way, if you want the playlist, it's here. If anyone is wondering, it's 1 hour of Roots.
About plus equal to C plus plus, right?
Say again?
You want to learn plus equals in C plus plus, right?
Yeah, plus equals.
Let me. You can I share my screen or no?
Yeah, should be able to.
Should we? Oh, it's not working. I guess it's Linux shenanigan. I just type in.
Wait, let me
was that?
let me see if you have permission to do that. If you can stream, you should be able to.
It's moving my illegal too, but it doesn't let me. What the hell? Let me check with. Let me try on directly on the. I'll try directly on the. Linux, but because I cannot share my screen. on my Discord. I'll just show you some snippet of code.
You definitely have
Right.
permission.
Yeah, I clearly have permission, but it doesn't let me. That's weird. Anyways, so let me operator plus equals and I should cons vertex other. In my memory, it should look something like this. First, okay. So this the first plus equal other the first. This the second plus equal other the second, and you return this. So I'm gonna show you.
Wait,
What
Max.
every-
Max.
Yeah?
Calm down a sec. Calm down. Why are people saying the stream got sniped? What does that mean?
The stream got what?
It says the stream got sniped. What does that mean?
I got no idea.
Wait. Give me a sec. Give me a
But
sec.
I'll show you the snippet in the code. I just removed myself from the. I removed myself from the stream because I heard your voice 2 times. But you're when I remember what the operator
Oh
does, right?
nah. Wait, the stream got banned. Wait. The stream got banned.
Banned?
Yeah, wait. Nah.
Who banned you?
I don't know.
The stream is working on my computer. What do you mean the stream got banned? The stream is working on my computer. What do you mean the stream got banned?
Okay.
It's working.
Okay, I don't know what that was. It's back. Why did it even go in the first place? Wait, I'm sorry, Max. Just 1 sec.
Yeah, of course.
I need to see what's going on. Is it back?
Yeah, it works for me.
That happens when you watch TV and movies on stream too. Oh. Damn it. Okay, right. Online Max, you can continue.
Yeah, so basically it should be what I just sent you in chat. That
Okay.
second, I'm compiling it.
The vertex.
Yeah,
This first.
this is just an example I made.
So but that's for integers. I'm doing const cars arrays.
It doesn't matter. It should be like the same pattern, you know. So first you have you take as a parameter a vertex. Oh, that's CVP output main. Yeah, it works. So basically, you take as a parameter, you have a function that is the class pointer operator plus equal. I have a new. I don't. Let me just show you an example that compiles. Let's see. So something like this, okay? So first you have a vertex, you take a vertex pointer. So you take the class pointer, the operator plus equal, and then you take another member that could have been an integer or like any other thing, right? You understand?
Yeah.
So basically, this is just a simple program that explains it. I mean, what you need to do is that you need to return the this pointer. You first like plus equal your like parameters, right? You plus equal like you plus equal your members of the class, and then after that you need to return the this pointer. It's basically that. It's simply this.
But it says there's too many operators. There's too many parameters.
What do you mean? Only one parameter for the plus equal operator, and another class, for example.
But we need one parameter for the reference to the actual object, and then the other one for the thing we're gonna add to the object.
Yeah.
Hmm?
No. The thing that you're adding is yourself because you're plus equal, right? So what you're adding is yourself.
But where'd you get yourself from?
It's the class inner member. This pointer, this pointer is yourself.
Okay.
Remember?
But
The- the-
const
Oh, I
string.
can remove the this. You can remove the this. Like let me show you what you can do. It's when you use like the members directly, you can also do something like this. Okay, right? You don't need the this and the other notation because it's already done by C++ internally. Is my voice okay? By the way, I just
But it's gotta be different because you're doing an integer just on the stack, and I'm doing a character array that's on the heap.
it shouldn't matter that much. You can still access your variable inside of this. Just make sure it's public and stuff. But you can access your member variable inside of the operator, right? You can still do it.
So this.
Like
So
even if it's in the Eve, let me show you. Even if it's in the Eve,
the
and I was getting you.
no, Max, that
Okay.
doesn't make sense. In your example, you're doing inside the actual operator overload for plus equals. You're doing first plus equals other dot first. But plus equals
Yeah.
shouldn't work in the first place because there's
But
only
you
there's only limited amount of characters that can be stored in that array. So we need to make
but you need to
space. We need to make
resize it
space.
before you add it. Like you need to resize it, right?
Yeah.
So for example, you have you know how a growing array works?
Say again.
You know an array, right?
Yeah.
An array that you can like an array list like a vector, the vector, right? When you push back, it resizes the vector, right? Because you don't have enough space at the end. So you do the same thing. When you do plus equal, first what you need to do is you check if there's enough space inside of your string to take all the characters. If there's not, you resize the character string to hold all the character. You know. You understand what I mean?
No.
If you don't have enough space, because basically a string is like a vector for character, right?
Yeah.
So what happens when you don't have enough space? Because you need to keep in memory. For example, if your string class can look something like this, right? String, it has character array, a character array, int length and int capacity, right? Capacity. That's you have something similar at the moment, right? Something like this as your string, right?
My string is it's it's got a const start array and a int size. I don't have
Yeah,
capacity.
you also have the capacity, right?
Why? That's for
It doesn't
optimization.
matter.
Where
It doesn't matter.
I'm not.
It doesn't matter. Basically, what you need to do is that when you have string operator plus count string color, you need to do something like that, right? If you need to let's say we have a void resize and new line. You need to do something like that. New line is equal to line plus other dot line resize new link and then here you copy the rest ID and upload here. Resize the thing. So something like this, okay? So wait, I forget to format it. Oh, they did the same thing twice. Oh. So right now you need to do something more like this.
Resize the vector, yeah. Sponsy might be right.
So you see this, right? So first you have the operator, the string operator plus equal, and at the end you return this. Of course, at the end you need to return this, so you can like
Dude, I think this is a bit much.
something like that, right? You need to do something like that.
Daily dose of everything. You would be right, except I am not an undergrad. I'm fully self-taught in the past 11 months. Yeah, Max, I'm sorry, I don't get it. I mean, you're checking.
What?
You're
Sorry, I
checking.
just opened.
All right.
What did you say?
You're checking if
I didn't-
it needs resizing, but I'm thinking if we just resize anyway, then that would just be easier to implement.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm doing in the snippet of code I just sent. Do you look at it?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah. So basically, what you do is each time you add something to the string, you resize the string. So, for example, here I didn't include the body because I don't know how you're gonna do it. But basically, you have a new line, and then what you do in the resize operator, you make the data array bigger, so you can have enough space to encompass the other string. You know, because that's what you're trying to do, right?
Yeah. Okay. So resize. That would return nothing in it. Yeah. So do const.
And you know that you need an end character, right? Like the null character at the end of the string.
Say again.
You know that you need this, right? Like this, you know that? Oh,
The
I
null
just advanced
terminator.
it up. You know this one, right?
Yeah, that's the null terminator.
Yeah, you need that at the end of the string.
at the end of the string. So
Yeah,
so
it
plus one.
signifies. Yeah, you need a plus one. But here actually it's minus one because you already have the plus one for both of them. So that gives you plus two. So here you need to remove one character for the new line. Because this one already has plus one. Because both of them already have a null character. So here you just remove one character for because both of them already have them. So that's minus one instead of plus one.
Okay, bro. But quickly go to the resize thing. It says declaration is incompatible. Oh wait, sorry, nothing. That's my bad. Forget about it. I forgot to do the parameter. Okay.
Can I see your screen? Because
Yeah. I'll
right now
share it. I'll
if I
share it.
open it, I hear you 2 times.
I'll share on Discord.
You can?
Yeah. It's fine. I've got enough bandwidth. Okay, you see this? Hello?
Hello?
Yo, you seen
Yeah, I
the
can
stream?
see the screen. I can see
Alright.
the stream.
So
I can see it. Yeah.
we've got resize here. Creating the new
Yeah.
temporary. We need to delete the old one.
Yeah, you need to delete the old one. Yeah.
delete that. Then right. That's all it is to resize, isn't it?
Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. No. You have to copy the old one to the new one. You need to copy it
Is that this line?
after before deleting it. Because when you delete it, you cannot. You don't have the characters, right? So before you delete it, you need to copy the current one, the current characters into the old one. Else it'll be deleted, right?
Um. Let me
What is-
load up something else because I've got a concrete example for this exact scenario. So here, right? When I'm
Yeah.
doing an insert in my vector, right?
Mhm.
So here I delete the array first, and then I assign the array to the temporary pointer that I made up here. So it's the same concept here, right? It works fine here. We delete the array first, and then reassign it afterwards.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that before you delete it, if you go up in your insert function, right?
Oh, by the way, deleted it. Yo, Finley, what's up?
You're moving stuff around, so you're copying
Yeah.
the old one, you know. So here you have a new slice, and then you move it. Yeah, you move it. So you copy. Basically, what you're doing is that you're copying your old memory into the new memory, so that you don't lose your data. Because right now, when you delete it in the new function, when you delete it, your data that was there is just deleted. So you didn't copy it. You just resized it, but you need to also copy the old data to the new buffer, the new array.
So we need mem_move for that.
You're not forced to use mem_move. You can use a simple for loop,
We can use what?
right? You can use a simple for loop.
Yeah, for loop to get every character in the array and Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Move is the hard way. Okay. Hold up 1 sec.
Also, you need at the end of the function to change the length, the current length, because now you have a new length. So you need to change the length of the string to the new size.
Someone in the chat saying mem move would be faster than a for loop, but a for loop looks cooler.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
It's absolutely right. Here you need to use the integer because you need to do position.
And then we do temp position equals array position C. Sorry, meant that. So what?
I say go to size -1 because you don't need to copy the null character. Don't need to copy the null character, so I'll say go to size -1. Yeah.
Facts.
Basically.
Must be modified.
Oh yeah, because you put it const. It's const.
Oh. Oh.
You need to use const again.
Oh, I forgot there. I got it. So. Hi, broken limey. Okay, so now we copied all of the values from the old array to the new array, and the new array has extra size. So
yeah, so you need to change
Yeah.
the size of the array. So you need to say at the end size equals to new size. You know.
the new size is here. It's already in the array.
Yeah, but you need to change it inside the class itself. So
Oh,
you need to say
facts,
that
facts,
size
facts.
equals new size.
Facts.
No, at the end, not
At the
here,
end?
not here. Because here you use the size to copy, so you need to do it after you copy.
Okay. So it's done then.
Yeah, that's done. That's basically it.
Field's done. Okay, now we can get on to operator plus equals. So we got int new length. Okay. Let's try this. -1 for okay. Initial value of
And then
reference.
now you need to change. You need to just add the rest. Oh shit! You need the old size, so you should do int old size. You should do equal size because you need it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
So okay, now we can do plus, but can you do plus equals on a const char array?
No, the array is const.
Oh, wait, we need to index it.
Yeah, you need to index it.
Okay,
yeah.
so we need another for loop then.
Yeah, you need another for loop. You need to go from 0 to the size of the other string.
The new size.
-1 to no. The other string size. Yeah, basically, yeah. -1 to not include. Or you can include it. Actually, including is not a bad start. And then you need to just say that array at I plus old size.
Plus what? Plus size.
Old size. Old size. and then equals to the new size to the s the array at I.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Must be modified. Oh, it's still const. Alright.
No, it's not that. That is fine. That is fine. Is the at the top of the array, at the top of the class where you have your members, right? In the yeah, you need to remove the count. Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Well, I gotta remove const everywhere then.
Usually you copy it. You're not. Usually you're supposed to copy it. Anyway, that's fine. It should work. No, the const here is work. The const here works. Yeah,
We
the
can't just
const
have
here works.
one const and the other non-const.
Because you're not changing it, and then you return this at the end. It's a pointer. Remember, it's a pointer. No. The pointer you're returning a reference in the string. You're doing a reference stuff. You need to remove the reference in the function header. You need to you need to change the ampersand for the star. No, not here.
No,
The
there.
first one, the first string, not the second one. The first one.
The
There's an
first
ampersand.
string.
The return value. Return value is coming here.
Okay. So
Yeah, it should work.
we'll do. I'll remove that. Womp womp.
What?
I just did the constructor wrong. That's all it is.
Usually you're supposed to copy the data. I didn't do the conjure. That's true. What? No, it's one.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the stream now.
You're gonna end the stream now?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a
yes.
rest. But thank you
Well, it
for
was
all
a
of
good
your help.
time.
Appreciate all the help, man. It was good.
Yeah, have a great time, Gabe.
You too, bro.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Half an hour past schedule, and I think that was time to end the stream. That was a sign to end the stream. Okay, make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord now. Otherwise, my mods will find you. And you're not gonna want that. Let's see. How's the stream doing? No, it's still alive. Still alive. Okay. Thank you for watching. What is it tomorrow? Sunday, Saturday. There will be no stream tomorrow because it's a Saturday. Dude, you're still young. Imagine if you used AI and sold the website. Bro, what a degenerate sentence, bro. God damn it. Nah. I get the vibe you're trying to see. I get what you're trying to see. But I'm not trying to scam anyone. I'm not trying to scam anyone. That's a really scammy business model. I fully disagree with that. So, but if you want to do that, if you make money, good for you. Can't do that. Anyways, thank you guys for coming and watching and tuning in. The next stream will be on Sunday at 6 p.m. UK time. Tomorrow might be a video released if I get a video editor. I just haven't changed. Okay. I think that's a bit late now. We did string pointer to string reference. I think you're right, but I don't know. I'll have to check out next time. Okay, that's it. See you guys Sunday. Peace. How the hell do I end this?